so the first letter is W.
W.
Mm-hmm.
Where's W?
Lost our cursor. Okay, well, find the W.
What's the W? What is a W?
It looks like an upside down M. Look around. It's up by the number 2.
What is a 2? The one.
Here's a W. Here's a 2. W. Oh, it got little. Okay, after the W comes E. You have 2 W's. Okay, W-E.
Earbow. I said earbow.
The E is right next to the W.
This.
Hold on,
This.
you moved your cursor. Make the E again. It keeps getting little. Okay, after the E, you made like, what did you do?
I wanted it like that.
You made like 50 E's.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, like that.
I know.
Like that.
Okay,
Lucy, who are you writing an email to?
Grandma.
what are you saying? What are we typing?
I don't know.
You are what?
I don't know.
Welcome, right?
So, oh, you are welcome
For what?
for the whole page.
Okay, so we're writing welcome. W-E-L, you know where L is. C-O. M E.
E.
You are welcome.
No, one, thank you.